Oh my.
Car has flipped on its roof. That is crazy. Hopefully everybody's okay. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. It's Friday. It's Good Friday. 2 days before Easter. We're just going out for a little bit to do a little bit of grocery shopping before Sunday. I'm gonna pick up a few things. We're gonna do some cleaning in the house today. Get everything ready
for
family, everything. And you guys are gonna come along with us and hang out with us for the rest of the day, and we'll control what we get ourselves into today. So stay tuned. Well, guys, as you can see, we have an accident underneath this bridge over here.
again.
In the car, comes up, zoomed right in the camera, but looks like there's a couple cop cars, a fire truck.
There's 2 fire trucks from what I can tell. There's at least 3 cop cars.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. This is the same
exact intersection that happened
a couple of days ago,
last weekend.
Yeah. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna have to go out to the highway by the looks of it. Be rerouted.
Yeah, we're getting rerouted again.
So let's see what happens. Right, Rheanna?
Yeah. People are in just too big of a hurry to get places, and they don't pay attention.
So we'll see you guys in a few minutes on the other side of this road, I guess.
Person stopped.
Maybe.
Oh, it flipped.
Wow. That's a big accident, guys.
Oh my.
Car has flipped on its roof. That is crazy. Hopefully everybody's okay. Well, guys, we made it to Walmart. We're gonna go inside and do some grocery shopping. We might not film a lot because it's kind of busy in here today. It's Good Friday, so everybody's getting ready for Easter.
Here getting their
so we'll try our best
Easter
to do what we
things.
can in here and filming. So
it probably won't be much.
Well, won't be much, but a little bit. We'll film a little bit, not much. But we'll see you guys when we get inside. Well, guys, we just finished at Walmart. We weren't able to film anything in there. It's extremely busy. They're still renovating the store, like we've been showing you guys in some of our videos. We have to head over to Superstore to pick up something up, and then we're going to head home and do all our stuff at home. So hope to see you guys within a few minutes here. Rheanna's just coming in the car right now. Don't hurt yourself.
I'm not hurting myself.
Okay. I was
telling
people that we're going to Superstore to pick up that one thing, and then heading home, right?
Yeah.
So we'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. Well, guys, we're back home. Rheanna's just in the process of making herself a sandwich. We're just going to be just chilling out for a little bit before we start doing some cleaning for the Easter coming up, right? Yep. So we'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
You're just making a sandwich. Okay. What kind of sandwich are you making? What kind of sandwich are you making?
Summer sausage.
Summer sausage? Okay. Okay, we're going over. There you go. So we're going to talk to Rheanna's just going to do that, and then what are we doing here? What the heck's going on here?
I don't know. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just making a sandwich.
There you go. Miss Willow's right there.
Yup.
Years later.
Well, guys, we are just about to start supper, so we're gonna get everything situated and ready to go. We're gonna get the chicken out of the freezer right now. Stuffed chicken for supper tonight. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put that in the freezer, and then we're gonna do some mashed potatoes and everything else. Well, guys, we're gonna just clean up my mess from earlier this
Because he
afternoon.
doesn't know how to clean up after himself.
Hey. So we have to put the oven on at 400 for these chickens that we're doing for supper. And then we're gonna try to do some cleaning stuff after supper, right? Yeah, because we have a lot to do before Sunday.
Yeah, I've been kind of, I don't know what's going on with me. Last night, around supper time, all of a sudden I just got really sick.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happening. So hopefully, started to feel yucky today, so I went and laid down. It helped a bit. So yes, we'll see.
Yeah. We're having the chickens and what was that? Idaho potatoes? Idaho. Oh, jeez.
Watch out for the dog behind you.
Yes, I could see her.
Yeah, we're having that. I don't feel like really doing much.
Oh.
So that's going to be the potatoes that we have.
Okay.
And then some sort of frozen vegetable or something.
Yeah.
Just because I'm not feeling the greatest. So, yeah, that's what's going to happen.
Well, guys, we are going to be putting in some Idaho potatoes into this pot here soon. As you can see, it's right here. Right here. So that's going to be up next. And then we're going to eat right away and then do some cleaning. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, as you can see, supper is ready. With a little chicken and smashed potatoes.
Yeah,
Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. There you go.
I didn't do vegetables because
No.
I didn't feel like
No.
it.
So we're gonna eat this and then start cleaning this house up a little bit more. Some mopping and some all kinds of stuff, right? All right. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with us tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna close it down for the evening. We have a new video coming out tomorrow. We're gonna be filming tomorrow, and we have some really cool we're gonna be doing tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. Come out in the next couple of days. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Good night, everyone.